Hey guys, hope you guys are doing well. Hope you had a great day. So tonight we're making some sago. Um, so it's from the Guyanese Pride sago, right? Um, so basically, how I make it is I boil the cinnamon and the cloves ahead of time before I add the sago, which was being soaked for a few minutes, maybe 5 to 10 minutes. So it's all soaked and ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and add it to the hot water. Stir it up. Gonna give it a stir. So here's our sago boiling. So a lot of times people, when they make sago, they would just add the cinnamon and cloves and cardamom or whatever else you need to put in the beginning so that it can boil before you throw the sago in. So that's what we did. We added the spices up front so it can boil and you know, it could be more flavorful. And once the sago was soaked enough where it was swollen, then we added it to the pot. We're gonna cook this until it's nice and glossy.
Start getting glossy there.
Yeah, it's, as you can see, it's starting to get glossy. And so once it's nice and glossy and all, I guess all the, you know, once it looks totally glossy, then we'll add some carnation milk or evaporated milk and some condensed milk to it.
You can even add sugar.
Yeah. We're gonna add condensed milk to sweeten it, but of course you can add sugar. Hey, I'm just gonna add some nutmeg to the pot. Let it cook. So here we have some cinnamon, cloves, and nutmeg. And it smells fantastic. It smells so good.
Yeah, that smells really good.
I'm just gonna have this with some tennis roll and cheese. But of course, you know, you can have it with whatever. You can just have it by itself. We like it a little bit more watery, not very thick where you have to eat it with a spoon. So this is gonna be a little watery because, you know, would want to drink it. Or you can have it with spoon too. You're gonna drink yours? Oh, okay. I'll do that too. So see, it's boiling. Maybe I should turn the fire down a little bit. Yeah, so once it's fully glossy and all the grains or whatever has disappeared, then you can add the milk or the evaporated milk, but you can add regular milk as well. I've made it before with regular. I've made it with skim milk, 2% milk, regular milk, you know, the half a gallon that they sell in a bottle. So whatever, you can make it with any milk. But I guess to make it richer and creamier, then it's best to do it with the evaporated milk and condensed milk. To each his own. Do whatever suits you or pleases you.
Smells good.
I know. You can smell the nice aroma of the spices.
My favorite treat.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, guys, so in the comment section, let us know how you make your sago. Do you add the spices up front, or do you add it when you add the sago to the boiling water? So let us know. We're gonna share this, we're gonna share the video of this sago when you go out to our YouTube channel, which is Cooking with Vish and Nalini. Please do subscribe to our channel, like our videos, tell your friends and family, share our channel with them, and come on over, check out our beautiful cooking videos we have there. We make everything. We're gonna be making some vermicelli. We're gonna be making some custard, and we're gonna be posting the videos up soon. So be on the lookout for that as well. It's all for fun, guys. Nothing more. Fun.
Fun? I want to drink some right now.
You do?
Mm-hmm. I can't wait for it to
Okay.
done. They start getting glossy.
I think so. Yep.
Yep.
You should add the milk now.
Yeah. You want to add milk?
Yeah. I think it's nice and glossy. If you add the milk too early, it will stop the process of cooking.
Yeah.
So you kind of want to make sure it's as glossy as possible, you know, before you add the milk. Because once you add the milk, it does slow down the process of cooking. So just a little tidbit.
You gonna add the milk now?
Yeah. Let's make sure. Alright guys, we're gonna go add some evaporated milk. Evaporated milk. Milk. Gotta get every bit out. Yummy. Oh wow. This does look good.
It smells good too.
Mm-hmm. Very nice.
Nice and creamy.
Mm-hmm. Just the way we wanted it.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. So we're gonna sweeten it with a little bit of condensed milk. Depends how sweet you want it. But this is optional. Of course, you can add sugar to it. So here you go. We're gonna sweeten it with condensed milk. You wanna lick the spoon?
Mm-mm. I gotta watch my sweet intake.
We're gonna go ahead and add some Guyanese Pride vanilla essence, just a little bit. You can add it. This is towards the end, but you can go ahead and add it in the beginning as well. But just be sure you add essence at some point when you're cooking this, because it does flavor it and give it a nice taste. As I'm sure you know, essence makes anything taste good when you baking or making porridge and so on and so forth. Roti. I digress, but back to my sago making.
Sugar roti.
Sugar roti, mama. Yep.
Let's make some sugar roti this weekend.
For sure. Guys, look how beautiful this is.
Yeah.
And you know the aroma. I mean, it smells so good. And it's nice and watery, so we can just drink this rather than... So it's porridge, but it's like,
Babe, you forget to put some pepper in there.
Pepper?
Yeah.
Jeez, what do you think we're making? We're making sago, we're making porridge.
You love pepper.
I know I do. I do. I'm gonna take some on the side. How about that?
Mm-hmm.
I have sago and pepper. Guys, everything that I eat have to be spicy. That's why he's telling me I forgot to put pepper. Very spicy.
Yeah.
Well, there you go, sago. It's nice and glossy. The spices, the cinnamon.
Glossy. Yeah.
The cinnamon and the clove, the nutmeg, your evaporated milk, your condensed milk, and there you go, and that's the final product. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna have mine with some tennis roll and cheese. What will you have yours with?
I'll just drink mine.
Plain, just like that. Okay, to each his own.
Maybe tomorrow I try some tennis roll and
Okay.
cheese with it to go.
Nice.
And again, everybody eat and drink their stuff differently. Some people just drink it. Some people eat it with tennis roll. Some people throw in pepper and rice and eat it. Yeah.
Hey, actually, this thrown on some white rice would probably taste really good. Like sweet rice. Like kheer.
Yeah. Hey, we Guyanese, we eat anything. We cook anything. We make up our own stew. And our own curry.
We make it up as we go along, guys.
Yeah.
That's what we do. We make it up as we go along.
There you go. Looks good. Smells good.
Alright guys, so there you go. Our sago is finished, ready to be served. Please go ahead and subscribe to our channel, our cooking channel on YouTube. It's called Cooking with Vish and Nalini. Make sure you check out all of our videos. Subscribe, like our videos. We will appreciate it. And until next time, you guys have a fabulous evening.